Good morning, everybody. It's 6:30 a.m. here on Saturday, so I have to be quiet because my family are sleeping upstairs. And I'm starting today's workout with a lat stretch. I don't normally do this, but I'll tell you why when I get in my office. I'll do the other side. Yeah, my lat's just been quite tight this last week or so, and a tight lat, it really starts to cause pain in the shoulder, and especially when you've had an injury like a slap tear like what I've had. And so because today is a deload workout, I'm doing a very low amount of volume. It's going to be a very short workout. And the most important thing for me is to, manage that tightness in my lat, in my shoulders. So I would never normally start a workout with a passive stretch. But there's multiple reasons why I did it today, what I just said, but also because Yanni, Richard and me are going to clear out our storeroom. We're going to be selling a whole bunch of old equipment from the gym, and it's going to be a big day, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a second workout in today. So I'm really just doing something that I can do, and the most important thing for me today was to, get this lat sorted so that I'm not hurting, and it's incredible. Oh man, there is a spot. It's incredible how much pain relief you can get, like instantly, when you do the right things, like the right stretches, the right trigger point release, the right muscle activation drills. It happens really quickly. And so that's my main, that's not my main, that is my priority this morning. Oh, this is some serious tightness here. Let's have a look. Oh, so that's already just so much better. Just releasing that lat. I think I'll get down and probably do a little bit on my pec as well after this. This is a really good tool for shoulder rehab. The only reason I don't include this in the rehab programs that I write for people is because they cost so much money. They're hundreds of dollars, these body blades. If you're willing to invest in that, then do it. If you're in the UMS, and I'll show you how you incorporate it in your program. Challenging. It's really hard for me on my left arm. I have to actually, it's funny how the nervous system works. I can't do it very well when I do it like this, but if I my right arm up here, then it works it out. So funny how the nervous system works. Still not as good as the right side. The further you get above your head, the more challenging it is. I am getting better on my left side, believe it or not. Alright, I'm going to finish today off with a little bit of release on my pecs for my shoulders, or for my shoulder there. See, for me, I do deload days on Friday and Saturday. Today's Saturday, but that means that even if I get very little work done on a Saturday, it's not a big issue for my overall development, because the majority of the work that's causing the adaptation that I'm going for, at least for strength and flexibility, is Monday to Thursday, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday are recovery adaptation days. So normally I'd do a full hanging and handstand and flow workout today, but I just can't do that today because I've got to go to the warehouse. So